Hey YouTube, I'm back with my first truck. So what I'm going to do now is we need to try getting fuel in it. Both tanks seem to be empty. So what I'm going to do is try popping these caps off. I don't have the key for it, so I'm going to end up doing that. But down here, I'm not sure if this thing was leaking or what the deal was, but there is a wet spot under all this stuff. So I might turn the key on real quick and see if that's leaking, but then we're going to try getting in these gas caps and put some fuel in. Okay, so it is spraying fuel from right there, so that could be part of the problem. I might actually fix that first and then we'll go from there. But either way, we're going to have to put more fuel in there. So I'm just going to do this and then we'll fix that fuel leak up there. Screwdriver may be too thick. That's stripping out the screwdriver. There we go. Got one side of it. There we go. So, wow, that's old. We'll get a new cap for it and put some more fuel in there and see if that'll do anything. See if it'll run on new fuel. I don't know how much is in this tank. Seems pretty empty. Anyways, I'm gonna get the other side off and then we'll put fuel in it and see if it'll run. I need to fix that leak as well. So we'll catch you here in a minute. All right, Rudy, go ahead and turn it on. Okay, turn it off. I don't think there's much left in that tank. It's like gurgling and bubbling.
Once you put the gas in like that? No?
You're... Let's all right, go ahead. Okay, turn it off. Okay, so that's the tank that it's pumping off of, so we're good. Just hold tight and I'll tell you to turn it back on. Okay, go ahead and turn it back on. All right, that's good. All right, now I'm gonna hook that back up and we're gonna see if she'll run on her own fuel. Got fuel in there. I've got that leak fixed. Boosters on. Put some fuel in the carburetor to prime it. We're gonna see if it'll start and run. Oh, come on. Okay, one more try. All right, I've got a fresh used battery. Let's try it. Come on. Come on. All right, let's try it again. Let's put some more fuel in that float. Actually, I'm gonna put some more fuel. I'm gonna put some fuel in that other tank just to be sure. Then we'll try it out. Okay, YouTube, so it's been a couple of days, and since the truck was over there, all I've done is started it and moved it over here. I just put a new distributor cap, rotor, wires, plugs, and air filter in. I did get oil and an oil filter. So what I'm going to do now is see how it starts, because I haven't started it since the new cap and stuff. So come on. Probably gonna have to get the booster. Yeah, put a little bit of gas in the carburetor. Gas that's in there is still pretty crummy. I'm gonna go try and drive it. I don't know why the brake light's on. The park brake's not engaged. The brake master cylinder is fine. I'm going to take that battery booster off and go try and drive it. So I'm sitting here warming it up, and I'm hoping the oil pressure gauge doesn't work, or maybe just isn't hooked up. I can't remember what it looked like the other day when I was messing with it. Yeah, right now I'm just kind of warming it up with my foot. Fuel, I think I have on the left tank. I don't know. I know you're supposed to pull this out and twist it to go to the other tank. Not sure if that works or not still. But I mean, right now, just holding the throttle right here, it seems to be running okay. It is starting to smoke quite a bit, but this is really the first time that it's ever even been warmed up, so nope. What do you think?
Sounds good.
Good deal. What do you think?
Nice.
Thank you. Trying to take it for a drive, but that carburetor is pretty plugged up, I think.
They didn't have nothing up there near like this.
No. All right, so I'm driving it. First drive. Forgot to hit record. It sounds good so far. It doesn't like to go around curve or slow down to turn because it doesn't want to idle, but we're doing it. 30 miles an hour. I don't want to take it any faster than that with these old tires. So anyways, let's see if we get back to the house. Well, I got back to the house. I had to switch a couple of plug wires. Runs a lot better. I think I to put some more fuel in there to start with, and maybe clean the carburetor. But yeah, she runs a lot better. So anyways, guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give it the thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and let me know what you guys think. Have you guys ever got your old car running that you know is your first one? It's been sitting a while. Tell me.